Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Delta app for holdings, staking, and profit tracking. Complete guide step by step clearly. To enable the Delta app for holdings, staking, and profit tracking, start by downloading the Delta app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create an account if you haven't already. Log in to your account using your credentials. Upon logging in, you will see a dashboard with an overview of your portfolio. Navigate to the Settings menu by tapping the gear icon located in the top right corner of the screen. In the Settings menu, select Portfolio to customize your holdings. Tap on Add Holdings to begin entering your cryptocurrency assets. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to add from the list or use the search function. Enter the amount of the asset you own and any additional details required. Confirm your entry to successfully add the asset to your portfolio. Now, to enable staking tracking, return to the Portfolio menu. Select the option for staking or earn within the app. Follow the prompts to link any staking platforms or wallets you are using. Input the details of your staking investments, including the amount staked in the staking platform. Once entered, this will allow the Delta app to track your staking rewards. Next, to track your profits, go back to your main portfolio view. The Delta app will automatically calculate your profits based on the current market values and your recorded holdings. You can view detailed profit statistics by tapping on individual assets in your portfolio. Finally, regularly update your holdings and staking information for accurate tracking. Review your portfolio periodically to stay informed about your assets and profits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.